Hi guys, it is time for another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This is for the month of November of the year 2021. If you're new to my channel, thank you guys so much for joining. And if you hear any noise, it's probably one of the pets coming in and out. If you're unaware, this is home to our cat Sophie and our dog Roxie, which have both been featured in other videos on my channel. Maybe you might want to watch one. Anyways, moving on. Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription box. I have the middle tier of it, so where you get 5 full-size products. They pick 2 products for you based off of your preferences, and then you get to pick the other 3 items. So moving forward, let's see what is inside of our bag. So I don't really pay attention too much to the themes anymore. I don't know. Like, I like Ipsy still. It's just one of those boxes where I'm just kind of like slowly just getting a lot of makeup and a lot of skincare, and I enjoy it. I mostly get Ipsy for the skincare these days, but it's one of those things I'm like, I don't know if I should get this anymore. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Anyways, this is what the bag looks like this month, which this is pretty cute, not gonna lie. I feel like it's hard to mess up like a good gold foil on anything. And then I'll be proper this time. I will look at the card for this month, which, like I said, this month's theme is Royal Treatment. It says your throne awaits, lather on ultra moisturizing formulas, adorned with accessories, and indulge in extra dessert, because this month it's all about you. I don't really need an excuse to indulge in extra dessert. But yes, there are some like makeup pro tips on the inside, and then some sales that are coming up soon that they're advertising on the back. Moving on, let's move on to the products we got this month. So this first product I did pick. It is the Mint Biology Rejuvenating Mask. There are 5 masks inside of this, which historically, if you've watched my videos, you know one of my pet peeves is that when there was just basic Ipsy Glam Bag, you would get 2 you would get 2 face masks as one product. And then when they started offering Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, they only upped that to 3 face masks, but this is a whole 5. And I was like, okay, I gotta jump on that, obviously. So these are for plumping and lifting. There's a word on here. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. It's called astaxanthin. For all skin types. Let's see if the back has anything to say about it. Oh, okay, so the back says that the astaxanthin, you can achieve radiance with bounce, combat gravity with a superior antioxidant, hydrator, and skin protector to firm, plump, and smooth out the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so like I'm starting to get some serious forehead wrinkles as I approach the age of 30. I'm like 29 and a half. This is kind of like when you're like 6 and you're like, I'm not 6, I'm 6 and a half, but like opposite. Like I'm not 30, I'm 29 and a half. Anyways, it also has niacinamide and Panax ginseng, which brighten and even out skin tone, decrease appearance of large pores and hyperpigmentation. It has adenosine for energizing, for smoother, younger looking appearance, and marine collagen. Hi, can I help you, ma'am? Not that you can see, it's just off camera. She is shaking the camera a little bit, but Roxie is just saying hi. Hi, hi. She just wants attention. She just wants attention. Don't you? Hey, can I get back to my video now that I've given you some love? I don't have anything for you. This is not that box. You got 1 box full of toys and treats, and now you're like, is this for Roxie? Sorry, back to your regularly scheduled programming. We're gonna attempt to decrease any interruptions from the dog. So the next product, I do remember picking this as well. It is the Yansa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream plus 8 Power Pink Essence. I don't know what 8 Power Pink Essence is, but maybe we will find out together. What does it say on here? Let's see. It is a rich, nourishing face cream formulated with pink lotus and peptides to brighten, depuff, and visibly firm the skin. Pink lotus is rich in antioxidants with anti-inflammatory benefits. Powered by 8 Power Pink Essence. Okay, it says that again, but it doesn't actually tell me what that. Oh, okay, here we go. The 8 Power Pink Essence is made up of pink lotus, peony, rose, cherry blossom, acerola cherry, camellia, Korean black raspberry, and pomegranate. Okay. But otherwise it also hydrates to visibly plump and restore bounce to the skin. And it has peptides nourish peptides nourish, leading to firmer, younger looking skin. That was a lot of mouthful of words. We'll go ahead and open this product. I want to give it a good sniff. I want to give it a good feel to see, you know, is this something I think I'm going to like? I'm just, you know, predicting. So let's go ahead and squeeze some of this bad boy out. Ooh, it does have a nice scent. I know some people are like not about scented products, especially scented face products, but I ain't mad about this. We'll have to try this out for the next month, and you guys can tune in next month to see what the results are, how I feel about it now that I've had time to try it out. The next product, okay, so I do not do fake lashes because I feel like I have been blessed with real lashes, but I saw these and I was like, you know what? Maybe now's the time. So these are the Winsome Lash. I believe there are 3 pairs in them. I thought they might be magnetic. I'm not actually 100% sure, but this is something I'm gonna be playing with because I was like, you know what? It's just time. So anyways, this is what the box looks like, and then we're gonna pull this bad boy out to look at the different lashes it looks like. So it looks like we got 3 different kinds. We got Noble, Hybrid, and Envy, which, ooh, those Hybrid have some length on them. So I feel like looking at these now, maybe they're not magnetic like I was hoping they would be, because it says you apply a thin line of lash glue along the entire lash brand. Okay, ma'am. Sorry, she's trying to help, but she's not helping. She's probably about to knock over the camera. No, okay, we're in the clear. Anyways, if you have any pro tips for me about how to apply magnetic lash, or not magnetic, how to apply false eyelashes, I welcome them because I've literally never done it because it's not something I have felt the need to try out until, I guess, Ipsy. The next product is the Best Face Forward Balancing Serum with AHA, BHA, HA, and niacinamide. So I believe this was a serum, and this might have been something they picked for me. It's hard to remember at this point. But I have gotten a serum from this brand before, I'm pretty sure. But this is what it looks like in the bottle. I do like the holographic print on it. We'll go ahead and give this a good scent. Oh, I just got some on my nose. Oh, I feel like that is thick. Oh my God, that is like a gel. Are they calling this a serum? I feel like this is a gel. They are calling it a serum. I'm actually a little worried that maybe it like sat in a warehouse too long somewhere. But either way, it is a gel. And then last but not least, we have the Il Makiage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color. So this is what that looks like on the box. We'll go ahead and take it out and swatch it. I might not have to allow Roxie in here anymore, depending on how the sound comes out in this video as I'm editing it. But anyways, this is what the tube looks like. I don't know if you can make it out, but there's like some really just classy looking decor on this. And then this is what it looks like in the tube, which, whoo, oh my Lanta, look at that art. That is that lipstick. I do really like the color. Let's see what that bad boy looks like swatched. Oh, that's like a good winter berry color. Again, like if you've watched my channel, you probably know in the summer I'm about lip glosses, and then as the weather turns cool, I start thinking about maybe doing some other colors, not other colors, but more like lipsticks and liquid lipsticks and whatnot. Anyways, if you've made it this far and you watch my videos, you know I like to review the products I got last month now that I've had some time to try them out and see what my thoughts are. So the first one we'll talk about is the Maisie Balancing Multi-Effect Fast Zen Facial Cleanser with rose hip, seed oil, citric acid, red seaweed extract, and geranium flower oil. So this is what that looks like. I ended up using this as my morning cleanser. The dog's pushing her luck. Just because I like to do a gentle cleanser in the morning, and I do a little bit of a more, I guess, deeper cleansing at night before I go to sleep. Hi. Overall, I like this product. My skin has been really like behaving this last month. I don't know if it's because I'm actually like, other than Halloween, I guess, eating healthier or exercising more or what, or if it's skincare. It's really hard to pinpoint exactly what the reason is as to why my skin's behaving more. Yeah, you just want belly switches. I'm sorry, guys. So yeah, like that product, would recommend, but I probably wouldn't buy it full price. It's not a product that once it runs out, I am going to be sad to not have. It was a nice product though for my Ipsy. The next product is the Removalist with Kaolin Clay and Zinc Oxide. So this has been my first clay mask that I've done in actual like many years now. Back when I feel like I first got into clay masks, I left them on for entirely too long and it would really dry my skin out and then irritate it. And in response, my face would produce more oil to cope with the fact that I was literally stripping it of every single like molecule of oil it had. This does a really nice job of just like drying out your skin, maybe just the teensiest bit, but it doesn't necessarily feel that way. So would recommend. I'm actually very happy with this clay mask. The next product I want to talk about is the Murad Skin Smoothing Polish. This was very similar for me to the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion skin exfoliator that I think I got in like a FabFitFun a year or two ago. So this is kind of like a dupe of a product and I'm very happy. I've been very happy with all of my Murad products. The next product I want to talk about is this eyeliner. It is the Easy on the Eyes eyeliner. I believe it was Tarte, maybe? I'm trying to find it on here. I'm not sure if it was Tarte or not, but either way, it was just like a bronze eyeliner. This was a little bit of a thumbs down for me. I tried it. So yeah, I don't know. I was trying to broaden my horizons. I did not pick this product. This was a product they chose for me, I'm pretty sure. And it was a little bit of a wah-wah. But they can't all be winners, right? And then last but not least, the product we'll talk about is this eyeshadow palette they sent me last month, the Hip Dot Witchy Worms palette, which I have had a lot of fun playing with. This was, I feel like, very perfect for like the fall season, and I'll probably continue to play with this for a while because a lot of those colors are just on point. I feel like my only complaint about this palette is there is a lot of fallout. So I don't know in what order you guys like to do your makeup, whether you like to do eyeshadow and then foundation or foundation then eyeshadow. This is one of those palettes where you're gonna want to do eyeshadow first and then follow up with foundation. Anyways, you made it this far. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, and do all the things like the liking, sharing, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. And thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay warm out there, I guess, because it is starting to cool down.